Welcome back to our channel Shahzad Voice. Today, we're going to share with you 5 valuable tips for leading a successful life. These tips encompass various aspects, including personal growth, relationships, and career. So, let us dive right in. Segment 1, Set clear goals and prioritize. The first tip for a successful life is to set clear goals and prioritize them. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get lost or lose motivation. So, take some time to define what success means to you. Break down your long-term goals into smaller, manageable milestones, and prioritize them based on their importance and urgency. This will help you stay focused, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Segment 2, Cultivate a growth mindset. Success often stems from having a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, view failures as learning opportunities, and believe in your ability to improve. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Instead, use them to refine your skills, develop resilience, and grow as an individual. Remember, success is a journey, and having a growth mindset will propel you forward even in the face of obstacles. Segment 3, Build meaningful relationships. Tip number 3 is all about nurturing meaningful relationships. Surround yourself with positive, supportive individuals who inspire and motivate you. Cultivate strong connections with friends, family, and mentors who can guide you along your journey. Additionally, seek out networking opportunities to expand your profesiona. Segment 4, Practice self-care and maintain balance. Leading a successful life means taking care of yourself. Make self-care a priority by ensuring you get enough rest, exercise regularly, and eat nutritious food. Take time to pursue hobbies, engage in activities that bring you joy, and recharge your batteries. Remember, success isn't solely about achieving external goals, it's also about maintaining balance and taking care. Segment 5, Continuously learn and adapt. Our final tip is to embrace a lifelong commitment to learning and adapting. The world is constantly evolving, and successful individuals are those who stay ahead of the curve. Invest in your personal and professional development by reading books, attending seminars, taking courses, and seeking new experiences. Be open to new ideas, embrace change, and adapt your strategies accordingly. Continuous learning will equip you with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the ever-changing landscape of success. Conclusion, and there you have it, 5 essential tips for leading a successful life. Remember, success is a subjective concept, and it means different things to different people. So, take these tips and tailor them to suit your own aspirations and values. By setting clear goals, cultivating a growth mindset, building meaningful relationships, practicing self-care, and continuously learning, you'll be well on your way to creating a life filled with purpose and accomplishment. That's all for today's video. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. As always, we appreciate your support. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for success. Bye.